Kashmir Valley, a heaven on earth, is about 5,600 feet above the sea level. The conditions here are extremely hard. During summer, the temperatures go as high as 30 degrees, and during winter, the temperature goes as low as -8 with 3 to 4 feet of snow all around. Even in the villages in Kashmir Valley, put a lot of physical efforts and spend a lot of time fetching their water for their daily needs. And in winter, it's even more hard as they need to spend these long hours with 3 to 4 feet of snow. So the authorities are a little hesitant to go for pumps that will work with grid supply.
विंटर सीज़न यहाँ पे काफ़ी मुश्किल होता है और हम चूँकि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो होती है वो 2 दिन 4 दिन या 5 दिन के लिए कभी कभार जाती है और हम इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर के बजाय हैंड पंप्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं।
पहले हमें हैंड पंप से पानी भरना पड़ता था, उससे हमारे हाथ थक जाते थे।
The solution that they need here should be able to withstand all different weather conditions, be it cloudy, rainy, snow or sunny. And also the solution should be easy to operate with minimal human intervention. The solution should also be highly reliable. Getting a service person to fix any issues here takes a long time, and that will for sure interrupt the water supply to these communities.
We are at the Kasnad, a remotest place of the Kashmir Valley. Actually, this is a water scheme handled by the Groundwater Division of Jal Shakti Department. The objective of this project is to provide reliable drinking water for the 50 villages of the Kashmir. It can provide drinking water for approximately 50,000 people. The solar pumping unit here comprises of 3 major components. One is the pump, which is made of Grundfos. Second is a storage tank, and the third is 4 PV panels. As the place is very remote and the handling here is a difficult thing, the project is designed that way. Human interference is very low. It is all automated, no switching on and off of the system, and the installation of the system is very easy. It's plug and play system. Apart from that, no complex settings. It's very easy and user friendly.
सोलर पंप लगाने से हमारा टाइम बच गया। हम जब पहले जाते थे वहाँ पे हमें 1 घंटा लगता था, लेकिन सोलर पंप लगाने से अब हम 10 मिनट में वापस आते थे। हमारा बहुत टाइम बच गया, हम घर भी टाइम से पहुँचते हैं।
Today the situation has changed. These women in the villages, they are now able to spend their quality time with their children, with their other family members, and also in a socio-economical improvement activities.
जब से सोलर पंप लगा है तब से हमें बहुत से आसाइश, पानी घर तो नहीं पहुंचा है लेकिन आसाइश हो गई है, क्योंकि हमें बारी का इंतज़ार करना पड़ता था। अब हम 1, 2, 3 इकट्ठे पानी भरते हैं, और जो अब हमारा बचा कुचा टाइम है वो हम अपने बच्चों को दे रहे हैं, उनकी स्टडीज़ में उनकी हेल्प कर रहे हैं।
सोलर मोटर के आ जाने से हमें ये मुश्किलात दूर हुई है, और ये 365 days, or we can say that throughout all the 4 seasons it works very well.